Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Your Online class. Is the first tense is simple present tense. We use simple present tense to talk about habits, general truths and fixed arrangements. Regular habits. In the regular habits daily routine, we use simple present tense to express the idea that an action is repeated or usual. The action can be hobby, a daily event or something. For example, I play basketball. Next, she always brings her laptop. These are the examples of regular habits, daily routine. Okay. Next, facts and generalization. We use the simple present when something is generally or always true. For examples, it does not snow in winter here. Next, light travels at most 3 lakh kilometers per second. And next, fixed arrangements and scheduled events in the near future. That is, we use simple present to talk about scheduled events in the near future. This is most commonly done when talking about public transportation, but it can be used with other scheduled events as well. For examples, the train leaves at 2 p.m. Next, the party starts at 10 o'clock. These are the examples of scheduled events in the near future. Next, it is the positive form of simple present tense. Here there are singular verbs I, he, she, it and you, we, they. Next, negative form. To form the negative and interrogative, we need the auxiliary verb to do in the simple present. This means we have to add es to the third person singular. That is he, she, it, while main verb will be used in the infinitive. Next, it is the negative form of simple present tense. And interrogative form. It is an interrogative form of simple present tense. Now, let's take a look at some examples. First one. I go to cinema every weekend. Once again, I repeat. I go to cinema every weekend. Next example. James looks very young. Next example is James look very young. Third, why don't you give me another example? Next, do you jog on Sundays? Do you jog on Sundays? Next, they play basketball every Sunday. They play basketball every Sunday. Next, she does not have any money. She does not have any money. Next, I speak Japanese. I speak Japanese. Next example, I don't speak French. I don't speak French. Next, where does she live? Where does she live? She lives in Japan. She lives in Japan. Next, I don't quite understand what you are saying. I don't quite understand what you are saying. Next, we enjoy talking with you. We enjoy talking with you. Next, I like reading books. I like reading books. He loves playing video games. He loves playing video games. Next, she runs faster than I do. She runs faster than I do. Next, does Alon have a driver license? Does Alon have a driver license? Okay. Next, go to the nobody in the words wants war. Next tense, simple past tense. Here, we use simple past tense to talk about finished actions, states or habits in the past. The simple past is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and action duration is not important. An action in the past, that is, we use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. We don't have to mention the specific time every time, but we have a specific time in mind. For examples, she studied English. Next, James played basketball yesterday. James played basketball yesterday. Next, series of completed actions in the past. If you want to talk about a series of completed actions in the past, you can use simple past. You can use simple past. For example, I worked out at the gym. I took a shower and I went to school. Next, with most verbs the past tense is formed by adding ed. Formed by adding ed. Some verbs are irregular in the simple past. Here are the most common ones. First, be. That is, the past tense of be is was or were. Go, went, know, knew, give, gave, have, had, make, made, think, thought, buy, bought, get, got, say, said. These are all the auxiliary verbs of simple past tense. Okay. Next, it is the positive form of simple past tense. This is the positive form of simple past tense. Next, it is the negative form of simple past tense. Next, it is the interrogative form of simple past tense. Now let's take a look at some examples. First one, I went to theatre last weekend. I went to theatre last weekend. Next, Tim studied hard and passed the test. Tim studied hard and passed the test. Next, he was in Japan. Next example is he was in Japan. Next example, she bought him a car. She bought him a car. Next one, he was worn out when he got home. He was worn out when he got home. Next example, I saw a house with a green roof. I saw a house with a green roof. Next, did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? Next, Josh prepared snacks beforehand. Josh prepared snacks beforehand. Next, how did you use it? How did you use it? Next, he met his wife in 1984. He met his wife in 1984. Next, they came from France to see me last night. They came from France to see me last night. We tried to cheer her up by taking her out. We tried to cheer her up by taking her out. He played the violin 2 hours ago. Next, I did not see her boyfriend yesterday. I did not see her boyfriend yesterday. Next, he admitted his mistakes. He admitted his mistakes. Next, Tom got back from the library at 5. Tom got back from the library at 5. Jane looked at me. Jane looked at me. Next, he advised her to become a teacher. Next one. Next, go to the tense, future tense. There are a few different ways in English that you can talk about the future. We generally use will and going to speak about the future. We use be going to when we intended to do something in the future. For example, I am going to drive there and talk to her. Next example, we are going to practice more and defeat them next time. Okay. Next, we use be going to when we have already decided to do something. For example, we are going to go finishing today. We are going to go finishing today. Next, we use be going to when know that something will happen because of the situation now. For example, don't forget to take your umbrella. Look at these black clouds. It's going to rain. Next example, don't forget to take your umbrella. Look at these black clouds. It's going to rain. Next, it is the positive form of simple future tense. Next, it is the negative form of simple future tense. And it is the interrogative form of simple future tense. We use will when we decide to something at the moment of speaking. Here the speaker has not decided before. So for example, what would you like have? Soda or coffee? Next, that is a negative. Next one, we use will for what we think will happen in the future. For example, I think she will come to my party. Next example, I don't know what will go tomorrow. What will do tomorrow? Next, it is the positive form of simple future tense. And it is a negative form of simple future tense. And it is the negative form of simple future tense when we use will. Okay. Next, time expressions with will and be going to. Those are soon, tomorrow, in a few days, next month, later, the day after, etc. Now let's take a look at some examples. First one, it's very cold. It's going to snow today. Next example, are you going to stay with me? Are you going to stay with me? Next, I won't redecorate the room. I won't redecorate the room. Next example, will you throw a party this weekend? Will you throw a party this weekend? Next, I am thirsty. I will drink a glass of water. I am thirsty. I will drink a glass of water. Next, I am going to fly to London tomorrow. I am going to fly to London tomorrow. Next example, she is going to do her homework tonight. She is going to do her homework tonight. Next, are they going to get on the train? Are they going to get on the train? Next, no, they are not. They are going to get on the bus. Next, are they going to get on the train? No, they are not. They are not going to get on the bus. They are going to get on the bus. Next, they won't disturb us again. They won't disturb us again. Next, my dad will be 60 next month. I suppose she will get the money tomorrow. Example, next one is I suppose she will get the money tomorrow. His family are going to fish today. His family are going to fish today. Next, what are we going to do when they arrive? What are we going to do when they arrive? Next, James is going to answer. James is going to answer. They will probably come back tomorrow. They will probably come back tomorrow. Next example. She is not going to see him today. She is not going to see him today. Next, I will be an artist in the future. I will be an artist in the future. Okay students, these are the tenses. In the next class I will come back with the next grammar part. Thank you.